ever since it unveiled the Model 3, there have been doubts about Tesla's ability to meet consumer demand.
We've had months of setbacks, delays and excuses, but for the last few weeks the news was looking positive, that is, until now. However, new reports coming from the other side of the Atlantic say Tesla is still having serious problems manufacturing components for its new EV, and share prices have fallen as a result. CNBC's report goes on to say that Tesla had to borrow employees from its supplier Panasonic to do this, and that other employees on the Gigafactory floor added that quality control workers lacked experience.
CNBC sources said that had resulted in unsafe battery modules with cells touching each other, but Tesla strongly denied that.
In a response, Tesla said, CNBC's report goes on to say that Tesla had to borrow employees from its supplier Panasonic to this, and that other employees on the Gigafactory floor added that quality control workers were not experienced.
CNBC's sources said that had resulted in unsafe battery modules with cells touching each other, but Tesla strongly denied that.
In a response, Tesla said, "The implication that Tesla would ever deliver a car with a hazardous battery is absolutely inaccurate, contrary to all evidence, and detached from reality."
Every battery in a Tesla vehicle has thousands of cells, the vast majority of which are at the same voltage potential as neighboring cells.
Hypothetically, even if two cells of the same voltage potential were touching, there would be absolutely zero impact, safety or otherwise. It would be as if two neutral pieces of metal touched.
Tesla has admitted, however, that some elements of the production process will be more manual as production ramps up. Either way, it's not looking that great for Tesla again, with the company's shares reflecting the bad news.
The new Tesla Model 3 will cost from $35,000 in the US. Although that translates to £27,000 at today's exchange rates, Tesla is expected to do a like-for-like price of around £35,000 to £40,000 when Model 3 UK prices are set.
The entry-level saloon is claimed to have a range of at least 220 miles and customers can upgrade to a bigger battery for a 310-mile range.
0 to 60 miles per hour is quoted as 5.6 seconds or 5.1 seconds for the punchier battery model.
New leaks suggest a new, dual-motor version of the electric car will be out later this year. Imagery buried in Tesla's own Model 3 configurator appeared to show a dual-motor version of the new EV, and now the company has registered VINs for a fleet of dual-motored cars.
Imagery of the new Tesla Model 3 was found by a user called Dare on the /r/Tesla Motors Reddit.
By essentially looking at the backend code on the Tesla website, they were able to find an image not actually displayed on the live version of the page.
The second leak comes from information obtained by the Model VIN's Twitter account.
According to a code reader released by Tesla itself, the company recently registered 19 dual-motor Model 3s just days ago, indicating there could be a release soon.